बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं सेकंड ईयर आर्ट्स के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एजुकेशन का मॉडल पेपर लेकर आई हूँ जो कराची बोर्ड ने इशू किया है। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं मॉडल पेपर को एक्सप्लेन करूँगी, उसका सॉल्यूशन भी आप लोगों को बताऊँगी। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मॉडल पेपर एजुकेशन के मॉडल पेपर के सेक्शन ए से स्टार्ट करते हैं जो कि एमसीक्यूज का है, जिसमें टोटल 50 एमसीक्यूज हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को सेक्शन ए में 50 एमसीक्यूज करने होंगे, जिसके लिए आप लोगों को टाइम दिया जाएगा 30 मिनट्स। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं, देखते हैं कौन कौन से एमसीक्यूज मॉडल पेपर में दिए गए हैं। नंबर 1 पे है द एजुकेशन इम्पार्टेड विदाउट प्लानिंग इज नॉन एज। ऑप्शंस आर इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन, formal education, non-formal education, distance education. The right answer is informal education. Number 2, unlearned motives are called. Options are natural, unnatural, real, artificial. The right answer is natural. On number 3, the Holy Quran begins with this order. Options are read, get up, go down, believe. The right answer is read. Number 4, education is transmitted through. Options are building, luggage, experience, problems. The right answer is experience. On number 5, another name of ability of reading, writing and arithmetic is called. Options are 3R, 3A, 3W, 3E. The right answer is 3R. Number 6, school is the source of this education. Options are formal, teaching, political, informal. The right answer is formal. On number 7, in present time, the central position in education is occupied by. Options are teachers, parents, students, books. The right answer is students. Number 8, Athens and Sparta are the old state of. Options are the USA, Germany, Greece, Italy. The right answer is Greece. On 9, social guidance is also called personal and social guidance, educational guidance, adjustmental guidance, professional guidance. The right answer is personal and social guidance. On 9, the meaning of counseling is to show the way. The 10th number, the meaning of counseling is to show the way, to give, to share, to get fame. जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक है। नंबर 2 पे जो ऑप्शन है टू गिव, तो ये ऑप्शन जो है आधा लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था टू गिव सजेशन। तो काउंसलिंग का जो मतलब है, मीनिंग है वो है टू गिव सजेशन, यानी कि 2 नंबर वाला ऑप्शन सही है। On 11, before doing any work, it is necessary to define the. Options are objective, ceremonies, border, book. The right answer is objective. On 12, the present education minister of Sindh is. The options are Ishwatul Ibad Khan, Imran Khan, Saeed Sani, Shafqat Mahmood. The right answer is Saeed Sani. 13, according to him, education is creation of mind in sound body. Options are Rousseau, Plato, Aristotle, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The right answer is Aristotle. On 14, the administrative head of intermediate education is. Options are Dean, Chairman, Chancellor, Principal. The right answer is Chairman. Number 15, education is the natural demand of an individual. This is the saying of. Options are Ibn Khaldun, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Shah Waliullah, Imam Ghazali. The right answer is Ibn Khaldun. Number 16, the literal meaning of guidance is to give suggestion, to show the way, to give information, to pay attention. The right answer is to show the way. On number 17, the most The famous philosopher Aristotle belongs to? Options are Greece, Italy, Germany, Russia. The right answer is Greece. Number 18. This is mentioned in the verses of that was on the Holy Quran. Options are pen, book, ink, paper. The right answer is pen. Number 19. Appointment and transfer of government college lecturers is the authority of? Options are Minister of Education, Secretary of Education, Director of Education, Executive District Officer. The right answer is Secretary of Education. Number 20. In old concept of education, the central position was occupied by? Options are student, teacher, curriculum, objective. The right answer is teacher. 21. World Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on this date. Options are 5th November, 5th September, 5th October, 5th December. The right answer is 5th October. 22. Computer is said to be artificial. Options are brain, machine, hand, body. The right answer is brain. 23. This is Important Institute of Informal Education. Options are school, garden, family, college. The right answer is family. On 24th, the Provincial Textbook Board is authorized to? Options are publish books, sell books, conduct examination, award certificates. The right answer is publish books. 25th, pictures are considered as? Options are audio aid, visual aid, audio and visual aid, reading aid. The right answer is visual aid. 26. Administration means? Options are to educate, to help, to serve, to conduct. The right answer is to serve. 27. The academic performance of a student is evaluated by? Options are profession, examination, meeting, education. The right answer is examination. On 28, in the process of attention, anything becomes the center of? Options are consciousness, unconsciousness, subconsciousness, emotions. The right answer is consciousness. 29. This objective type of examination covers? Options are complete course, half course, few subjects, few groups. The right answer is complete course. Number 30. Malaria transmitted through? Options are air, insects, contact, mosquito. The right answer is mosquito. 31. HEC was established in year AD. Options are 2001, 2002, 2005, 2008. The right answer is 2002. On 32, this type of teaching is less expensive. Options are individual teaching, group teaching, team teaching, micro teaching. The right answer is group teaching. Number 33. Sindh University is located at Larsana, Jamshoro, Khairpur, Dadu. The right answer is Jamshoro. 34. Plague is caused by these germs. Options are Salmonella typhi, Euglena, Pasteurella, Amoeba. The right answer is Pasteurella. 35. Pictures and projectors are such as? Options are audio, visual, audiovisual, collective. The answer is visual. On 36, the injection of BCG is used for the prevention of this disease. Options are influenza, chickenpox, whooping cough, tuberculosis. The right answer is tuberculosis. 37. The traditional teaching techniques are known as, options are theories of teaching, maxims of teaching, principles of teaching, psychology of teaching. The right answer is maxims of teaching. On 38, itching is the disease of stomach, skin, bone, plaque. The right answer is skin. 39. This type of guidance is actually the extension of educational guidance. Options are social guidance, psychological guidance, religious guidance, professional guidance. The right answer is professional guidance. Multiple choice questions are such type tests. Options are short, subjective, objective, detailed. The right answer is objective. On 41, the meaning of deduction is, options are to search, to sort it, to learn, to society. The right answer is to sort it. 42, audio-visual aids make teaching. Options are difficult, complex, useless, easy. The right answer is easy. On 43, the provincial textbook board functions under, options are chairman, director, secretary, section officer. The right answer is chairman. On 44, Shah Abdul Latif University is situated at, options are Khairpur, Hyderabad, Karachi, Larkana. The right answer is Khairpur. On 45, this is the basic and important agency of informal education. Options are playground, family, school, political party. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये रिपीट हुआ है, ये पहले भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है, तो इसका सही आंसर है फैमिली. On 46, collective information about any student is called observation, interview, cumulative, personality test. The right answer is cumulative. 47, the word education is derived from this language. Options are Latin, German, English, Greek. The right answer is Latin. 48, the awareness of physical and mental health is called, options are health education, economics, sociology, civics. The right answer is health education. On 49, community hygiene is the responsibility of, options are school, colleges, universities, government. The right answer is government. On 50, this type of interest is needed for education. Options are quick interest, acquired interest, close interest, psychological interest. The right answer is acquired interest. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये 50 MCQs हैं जो आपके मॉडल पेपर में दिए गए हैं. इसी तरह से आपका MCQs का सेक्शन आएगा आपके फाइनल के पेपर में. आई होप कि आपको सारे MCQs का जवाब मिल गया होगा, समझ में आ गया होगा. उर्दू वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन के साथ मैं बहुत जल्द ये पूरा मॉडल पेपर लेकर आऊँगी. अभी मैंने ये सेक्शन ए बताया है, सेक्शन बी मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी. उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को मेरा आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.